Check out this smart scale. Hey everyone, Digital David here. Today we're going to be unboxing and reviewing the Homever Smart Body Fat Scale. They did send me this product review, but any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. That being said, if you're interested in this item or finding out more about it, the link to it will be in my video description below. Please go ahead, check it out, and do your shopping from there. Here's how it comes packaged to in a really nice and simple retail box. We can flip it over and see all the different body composition metrics that it can measure for us on the back. This will work with iOS and Android devices using the Fit Days app, which we'll download in this video. It also syncs with Apple Health, Google Fit, and your Fitbit app and can support around 24 users and up to 400 pounds of weight. So let's go ahead now, guys. Let's open it up and look at the package contents. Here are all the package contents. First up, we got a nice thank you card complete with their customer support information on the back. Then we have a nice user guide right here. It has pictures, diagrams, and charts for us, walking us through the complete setup of the smart scale. And then last but not least, we have the smart scale right here in black. It's got a nice glass top to it. I really like the design on the scale. We can see the screen right there as well. And then we have the back side of the scale. So we'll go ahead, we'll set that down. You can see all four legs right there. They don't recommend using this on carpet. We can even see the branding again and their serial number sticker. We can also remove this compartment to reveal the two AAA batteries and the unit switch button right there. Let's go ahead, let's put that cover back on. Now we can turn it back over and we're ready to get the app downloaded on our iOS or Android devices. So go ahead, search for the Fit Days app and get it downloaded so we can set this up. So we just downloaded the Fit Days app and created an account. Once we signed in, we were brought to this screen where we're ready to start measuring. It's as simple as making sure your mobile device's Bluetooth settings on. Turn Bluetooth on and you're all good to go. You don't have to connect to the device directly or anything else. Just turn it on, step on the scale, and you're good to go. So let's go ahead now. Let's start measuring and get my weight. So I just weighed in at 153.4 pounds. We can see the weight on the screen, our target weight as well. Then we can view our weight, our BMI, and our body fat rate right here on the app. We can also select more data at the center of the app. And now we can view specific details about all the key metrics that they record for us just by stepping on the scale. Now you may be wondering, how the heck do they get all of those metrics just by stepping on the scale and getting our weight? Well, that's a great question to be asking. They use a process called bioelectrical impedance, which basically sends an undetectable, untraceable amount of electricity through our body, so up one leg and down the other leg, and they're able to generate all these estimates based off of that one little electrical current going through our body. So it's really cool how they can come about all these estimates just based off of that technology and being able to step on a scale. So we can see our weight, and then we have this nice standard at the bottom showing us where we are in relation to where we should be, our BMI, body fat rate, fat-free body weight, subcutaneous fat, which is your fat just under your skin. So this is the typical fat that you'd picture. And then we have your visceral fat as well. This is the fat that surrounds the organs in your body. We have body water as well, skeletal muscle rate, muscle mass, bone mass, protein, BMR, and your body age right there. So that's the details tab. We could share that if we want in the top right hand corner. We can go back out. We can view the chart section next, where we can view our recent weights, our week, our month, or by the year, and we can view them all individually as well. You can see the key metrics right here. We can just scroll down and find the ones that we want to track. We can also check our history records too. If you know a specific date and time, you can do that right there from within the app. So say a year from now, I want to know what I weighed today, I could go back and find it, which is really cool to have all that data at your fingertips. Then we can go to our account section right here where we can view our devices, add a user, and view more settings. So within the settings tab, we can control everything from this app to the color scheme. We can view some questions if we need any help. We can set target weights. We can switch units if we want. We can also view our device or add new devices again, set a pin, languages. We have a lot of key technical features right here. We can also view Fitbit and our Google Fit, so we can set them up right here just by sliding that toggle to give permission. So let's go ahead, let's do that now. Let's turn Google Fit on. and then let's go into the Google Fit app and see how it syncs up. You can see we got the Google Fit app on our screen right now, and we can scroll down to our most recent weight that was synced up from the Fit Days app right there at 153 pounds. Once you link your accounts, just stand on the scale again with the Fit Days app open, and the data will populate back into the Google Fit app as well, and you're all good to go. Same can be said for the Apple Health app and the Fitbit app too. So everything's really easy to use, guys. You can see it was super simple to set up. The mobile app is nice too, very responsive, very easy to use. Now, I have reviewed a lot of other smart scales as well, and they all use basically the identical app to each other, but a couple other scales have a much nicer interface that's not as simple and just looks better, and it's even that much easier to navigate. So keep that in mind when you're looking. Be sure to check out my other smart scale review videos as well. And I want to point out, if you're a guy like me that has big feet, my feet are size 11 and a half. They will stick off of this scale, so keep that in mind. Everything works great, just like it should, but if you have big feet, you might want to check out some other scales as well that have a different form factor, that are a little bit bigger, so your feet might not stick off at all, or just not as much. So keep that in mind when you're shopping for smart scales, and I just can't wait to hear from you guys in the comment section below and what you think about this scale or which scale you chose to buy. Love to hear from you guys. Feel free to reach out with any questions, comments, or concerns too. I'd be happy to answer them for you or point you in the right direction. If you're interested in this scale, don't forget the link to it is in my video description below. Please go ahead, check it out, and do your shopping from there. Hit that like button for us. Subscribe to our channel. We have new content coming out daily and don't want you guys to miss anything. Give us a follow online, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. You can message us on WeChat. Check out our website, join our free newsletter, follow us on Twitch, and join our Discord server. Thank you guys for watching, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.